The programming world is an interesting one. When you immerse yourself in it, you can do absolutely anything. Like, for example, today I had a little problem. You see, people need personal space. Like, I have this picture and I don't want anyone to see it. I don't have this picture and saw nothing. Now, an amateur makes a hidden folder. I probably have this hidden option on, wait. Yeah, an amateur makes a hidden folder and hides this pic there. But since when was I an amateur? You can probably guess what I'm looking for. I'm gonna make my own picture format called Pixie, which is mine and mine only, that can only be opened with its own specific app. So yeah, if someone's going to sneak in my computer, they're not gonna see my femboys. So let's bring this boy out and do what we wanna do. That came out bad anyway. Let's start with a header, or basically the format, which is called Pixie. So this header is a fixed 4-byte value that lets our future app know that this word Pixie is a format, a picture format, which most of the other formats have this header too, so that an app knows exactly what it's opening and doesn't get confused. That's the first step, and it's all done with this section of code. Let's give it a test. And when you run the code, you'll get a header here called test.pixie. Looks good to me. Alright, let's do some automation and upgrades in our code. Each picture has a width and height, right? So does our fanboy one. So what's going to happen here is, let's say you have a picture and it's also called the second tower.jpg. Don't ask questions. Now I want to import this picture, do some fancy stuff on it, and let's say I want my result to be femboy.pixie. So what happened exactly? It is going to take the original picture, change its name and its format, and automatically adjust the height and width of our new picture. Let's just do that. We'll import the path of our original pic using a scanner, and also, you're welcome, you can see his name. Don't search him up. Alright, and then you'll enter the path of where you want your modified picture. I want it right there, so femboy.pixie, and boom, there's that. Now, this doesn't really look like a picture, which is indeed normal, because we actually turned the picture itself into color codes. So what you're seeing here is actually the color codes of this dude, which is exactly where we need our own photo viewer. I wanted to do the exact opposite. We turned the picture into code. Now let's turn that code into a picture again. Let's fucking go. Alright, so everything is basically the same here. You get the header with Pixie format. You have this height and width section, and this RGB part, which is the main part. And finally, a graphical interface made with JFrame to show us the picture. Let's give it a go. My Pixie file path, there you go. Have my femboy.pixie. Oh fuck. Alright, what went wrong? Well, this header works fine. Pixels are also set and they do work. Like if I check here, it is 451 by 563. How about this RGB part? It's supposed to be red, green, blue. I am an absolute idiot. Well, I'm gonna fix it now, and you're gonna ignore all of it. Okay, I'm gonna test it again. My picture path, and wow! Oh, nice feed. And yeah, there you have it, I guess. A picture with the format of Pixie and a photo viewer for it. An absolute filler of a video. And I guess thanks for watching this monstrosity of a video. I'm sorry, but if you made it out this far, you're the shit. I love you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, take care, stay hydrated, and bye-bye.
Absolutely.
They all say I'm up next and I got it, but nobody knows. I be stressing about college and all the tuition. I'm thinking about sipping, I feel like I speak, but my family don't listen. These people be fake to me, I cut them off and they speak on my name like I'm the one who tripping. How you playing victim? You the one that did it. You can't choose my feelings in 1 or 2 seconds, I'm gone.